Hi viewers, this is Dr. Jana and you are watching video with me on LaTex, and in this video mainly we will be covering how to go for the table of contents and how to create the footnotes. Fine. So for coming to the table of content, whether you are writing a textbook, whether you are writing a thesis or anything. So after the I think the first page, the front page, we have to go for the table of contents. So how do you write automatically using that LaTeX? That is the main discussion in this video. So you are welcome to this video. So we start with a document class / document class. Here the class I am using the article. If you are writing a book, you write book. If you are using a paper, you write paper. Then use package blind text. What is this blind text? I am using this package blind text because instead of typing so many things, just I use that one and automatically text will be generated for that one. So that is the package you are using. Use package blind text. Fine. Then use package title sec. Then I am writing the title here. I am writing neural networks, right? So you can see the title, it is coming neural networks. Then I am writing the author Gunamani Jana. The date I am writing May 2023. Whatever things you want to write it there. Then begin the documents, right? So with the document, then to materialize all the things, we need to give the command make title. Okay, / make title. So these things, up to this it will be generated. Fine. Then we have to create a new pages because our table of content should not be there in the title page, it should be there in the next page. For creating a new page, you are writing / new page, so automatically it will go to the next page. A new page is created. Okay. Then for creating the table of contents, you need to write the command / table of contents, right? / table of contents, it is a combined word, there is no gap in between. Then for the different sections, I want to create a new page, then / new page I am putting it there, so it will go to the next page here, right? Then we can create a number of sections and subsection. For creating a section, you know that we are writing the section / section. Then what is the name of this section? So you have to write these parameters in the curly braces. I have put in the introduction. So this section 1, it will appear introduction. Clear? Again I am creating another section. Automatically it will increase. It will go for another section number 2, something like that. So but if you want any unnumbered section, then what you need to do? I will tell you. That is the unnumbered section. There is no need to put a section there. Okay, I will tell you how to do write it there. For unnumbered section, so you write. Anyway, I will be discussing these things here. Now, first in this section introduction. So this is the first section. It follows here. Then what I am writing? I have to write some paragraph in this section. Okay. So instead of typing all the things, I put / blind text. But you don't put / blind text. So you have some contents of the introduction. So you can write it, neural network is biologically inspired, this, that and all the stories, you write it there. So that you type it, or you type it in a some other in the word file or etc. That copy and paste it there. That is possible, right? So then you have written for that adding these contents of line. So what you read / add content lines in the curly braces, the table of content. Then what are the things it will be there in the we are going to add? We are going to add all the sections, any unnumbered section, and all the things it will come. Section and unnumbered section it will come. So this is a section. A section is starting with 1 dot something, 2 dot something like that. Unnumbered section means it is not starting with anything. Are you getting with that? So then all the things it is coming under that one. Then under this unnumbered section, you can write some blind text. I am writing lorem ipsum like that. It is automatically generated some text. That's why I call it is the these things blind text. Fine. Then another section I am writing / section history of neural networks. You see that section, it was the section 1 and it will be increased automatically 2 because the unnumbered sections, because I did not start with the section / section, that's why it is coming. Are you following me? What is the difference? So if you are putting / section and star, you are writing unnumbered section, so it will not increase it 1, 2, 3 like that. It will be without any number, it will start. That is, it will start with unnumbered section. Then you write some blind text on that one. Then the next section, that is section number 2, I am writing history of neural networks. It is there. They are also writing some blind text. Then I am creating a new page. Then I am creating one more new section. For creating a new section, so I put it that / section. That is, I putting neural network versus the NNN. So there you write some text, whatever things are there, and the document is clear. So when you execute all the things, recompiling and all things, you can clearly see whatever the first page you created, that is only the title, etc. What is the third page? It is the section, subsection, and all the things, your contents or the table of content automatically generated. So introduction coming in third page. So unnumbered section is coming on third page. History of neural network coming in third page. Neural network versus NN, it is coming 4 pages. So whatever things you will be using afterwards, all the things automatically contents will be generated. Is it fine? So I hope you understood the basic concept of table of contents. Now we will be going for something like this footnotes, right? So in this footnote also it is very important for all of you. Okay, so let us have a demo on this footnote mark. What exactly happens while you are writing a paper and all things? Sometimes you write a footnote, and what is the footnote contents, it will be displayed at the bottom. That is, here is the footnote, or some specifically I have whatever things are there. How you do all the things, that is I am going to explain using this LaTex. Fine. So what you need to do here, yeah, you can check it here. Yeah, I can go for these things. I created a document, and document class I put it article. You can write anything you write your choice. So this is gap is there, not necessary, you can use. Then I am using the package, that is the paper height I am putting 6 inch, and paper width you can use centimeter, inch, millimeter, whatever things you write, there is no restriction on these things. Use package, here the parameters I am putting, paper height is equal to 6 inch comma, and paper width is equal to 5 inch. That means this is 6 inch. This height will be 6 inch and this will be 5 inch. Fine, because for a book usually we use 6 inch by 5 inch, you put it there. Then top will be 10, top margin will be 10 millimeter, 1 centimeter, bottom will be 20 millimeter or 2 centimeter, left will be 10 millimeter and right will be 10 millimeter. So close the square braces and put it under this geometry package, right? So all the things it will set it for you. Then begin the document. Once you begin the document, after that whatever writing, it will just like the text. So I am writing to test the verb footnote marks and okay, slash verb, and inside this vertical line whatever putting slash, it will be just simply displayed there. That means I am writing to test the, it will come slash footnote mark. Say I am writing to test the slash footnote mark, and all the things will continue like this. But there are things how to give the footnote mark. Footnote mark means on the top it will come like 1, 2, and footnote text it will come something like the explanation. 1 is something you are writing the text, and 2 also you are writing something in the text, right? So these two things are important. So what I am writing, you can insert a footnote marker using this command slash verb footnote mark. Then I am writing the footnote mark, then after that I am putting curly braces. Are you following these curly braces? Once you are creating a curly braces after this slash footnote mark, then it will mark 1 first, second automatically. If you are putting another footnote mark, it will go to automatically. There is no need to mark 1, 2 command. And later when you are ready, typeset the footnote text. Then what is the text now? Slash verb footnote text slash in the text, what see, that is the footnote mark, and here is the footnote text. What is the text? Here's the footnote. What is typing the text? Here is the footnote. Okay. Similarly, you can go for another thing. Let us do one more. See, for the result I am putting one more footnote mark. Then what I do after result? Let us do one more to see the result. Then in this result I want to put the footnote mark. Then what I do? Slash footnote mark, I put the curly braces. Okay. You see, in the result it will come 2. What is the result? Mark 1, and the latter one is the see 1, the result. You see, the result it is showing the footnote mark. It is not the subscript superscript, it is the footnote mark 2, right? Then first footnote mark was 1, then second footnote mark was the result. Then what is the footnote text? For the 1 I am writing, here is the footnote. For 2 I am writing specifically, I would write comments in this one. Okay, so that how we have done inside the curly braces, whatever you write, say footnote text inside the curly braces I am writing specially, comma, I would write comments in this one. In the curly braces what you have written, that is coming to specially, I would write, it is coming at the footnote text. The first one in the curly braces, what you have written here's the footnote. Okay, see here, here's the footnote, same thing it is appearing here. So I hope now you understood what is the concept of table of contents and what are the footnotes. So if you like this video, please do share with your friends, and don't